Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and I was looking for stuff to draw and I saw this really cool pop figure, and this is the character Blueberry, which I never really heard of, but I think he's a character for a cereal or something like that, right? So I figured this would be a really cool character to draw, so let's go ahead and draw this, kind of based on the pop figure. Alright, so to draw this, we're going to draw in the top of the head first. Just give it a slight curve. That's going to be the top of the head. And this is pretty much going to be a rounded square. So I'm just going to round up the corners here. Just kind of come down. So it's going to be a little bit it's kind of squished in. So round that out. So if you want to make it rounder, that's fine too. I mean, there's really no right or wrong way to draw this head. All right, so once we have this, just come to the middle of this. I'm gonna draw one of his eyes. Just one big circle. Okay, so right here. So again, this is gonna be in the pop style, so the eyes are gonna be kind of further apart. And then for the eyelids, it's kind of drooping down. So his eyes gonna be in here. I'm going to add one little highlight, and I'll just shade around it. Okay, so those are his eyes, and then for the eyebrow, it's going to be slanting down. So just right over the eye right here. Let's draw one line first, or one curve, and then we'll turn that into a little bar. All right, and then now for his really cool expression. So right underneath the eyes, I'm just gonna draw, that's gonna be the corner of his mouth. And then from side to side here, I'm just gonna curve. Let's draw a little wavy line. And then his mouth is going to be partially open, so just draw another curve on the bottom here, and this part will be black. Alright, so that's the head, or that's the face. And then now for his hat, so just come back up here, just curve up, just draw a little bar, kind of round it out. Go up on the sides, little bump, and in the space in the middle, just give it another bump. Just kind of smooth out the curves. And then one line across, just for some extra detail. Okay, so that's the head, and now for the body. So the body is pretty simple, it's just a ghost. It's got a bow tie right here, so right underneath the head right here, one little circle, kind of tucked underneath the chin. Now we can draw in the bow tie. Okay, so now we can draw in his arms. So let's see, his arms are gonna come out right here. That's gonna be his shoulder. Give a little space right here. That's gonna be his armpit. And then now I'm gonna curve down. Yeah, make it a little bit wavy here. One curve, and then this side, maybe just one big curve like this. Okay, so we're gonna add one more curve here. Just gonna make it a little bit more interesting. And then now for the bottom here, it's just gonna come down here. It's gonna go all the way across. So just come down lower than this. Now I'm just gonna curve on the bottom here, all the way here, and to finish up the body right here, just go up, and then now round it out and just come back into the body here. Okay, so it's just a little ghost. And now for his hands, so we're gonna start right here. It's got a pretty cool gesture here for the hand. And then from here, we're gonna draw his hand. So right here, that's gonna be his thumb. I know it looks really strange right now. Now I'm going to draw the other digits. Come back up here. Okay, one little curve right there. So that's one finger. 2. And then one more. 3. So now that we have all the digits, just come back, round it out here. Just leave it open. And that's going to be his hand. And then now we're just going to connect to this right here. So nice and simple, right? The hand is the trickiest part here. All right, so let's try it again on this side. It's going to be the same, just reverse. So one little bump. And then here's the other finger. Come down, just round it out. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so actually very simple to draw this kind of cartoon hands. So just round it out, leave some space here. Now I'm just gonna connect this. And that's gonna give us the full arm. All right, so that is it for this Boo Berry. Hope you guys like this little simple drawing. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.